My name's Mark Lawler. I'm the Chief Information Officer at Fayetteville Public Works Commission. We have around 120,000 customers. We have somewhere in the range of about 180,000 meters out there. And that is in Fayetteville, North Carolina, which is also the home of Fort Bragg. So I've worked in high tech, I've worked in the military, obviously, I've been all over the world. One of the things that was pretty exciting a few years ago when I got into utilities was realizing how much technology there really was in the utility. The amount of technology and the use of technology in the utilities probably bests some of the largest tech companies in the world. It's really pretty interesting. I think the exciting part is just kind of where we're going. The utility industry isn't typically the fastest moving, but they're starting to move a little quicker because with things like electrification, some of the things that are coming, we're going to have to. And the opportunities to move into things like software as a service or move your systems or applications into the cloud or whatever is pretty exciting. We have a lot of goals, and technology is going to be really important for some of those. I mean, when we take a look at understanding what our customers are doing with the resources that we provide them, our ability to actually go out and maybe put Internet of Things, IoT type devices out there and manage those and monitor those are going to require some form of technology to go ahead and manage those. I've been, myself in the organizations I've worked for, been a Oracle customer for 16 or 17 years in a number of different places. I think the biggest thing that Oracle's helped me with, or that we've used Oracle to, is to kind of move our technologies, move the things that we use every day to operate our business and move them to an environment where we can actually maintain them. And Oracle's got a great story behind software as a service, anything as a service, infrastructure as a service, database as a service, things like that. So there's a lot of tools out there to move those applications, systems that we have out there so that they can be easily maintained. And I'll give an example. Most organizations, it doesn't matter whether it's high tech or utilities, that I've seen is you go into an operation and you say, hey, look, I got this great application, it works great, but guess what? It hasn't been updated in 5 years or hasn't been patched in 18 months. And so the story that I think really for me that holds true with Oracle is that now we can move all these applications into a place where Oracle's going to do that for us. Now, our operations change a little bit, but now I don't have to worry about those things. My applications, the things that I need to do, are always going to be updated. They're always going to be patched. They're going to be secure. I don't have to worry about that on a daily basis.